What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be reviewing the Nomad Chronicles. In this video you're gonna be knowing that are they a legitimate website or are they performing any unethical work. So in order to do that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So this is their website. As you guys can see that this is Nomad Chronicles and we are visiting their homepage and about us page. So as you guys can see, whenever I try to open up the website, the antivirus is finding this website as an website which will use phishing and other techniques to take my information and my data. So I'm just going to continue with that just to show you guys what they're actually doing. So this is the main page of their website. Here you guys can see that what they are doing, they are basically working as an travel agencies, which you guys can see that. So here you can have a customized travel package, local experience, and adventure tours. When we scroll down in here, you guys can see that there is no official address, no registered email, no information has been provided at the end of the main page. So let's go and see about us page and see if there is any sort of information provided there. So when we open about us page, you guys can see again there is no information available right over here. It's just a basic website that has been created with a pre-built template. So when we go to the customer reviews, just to see the customer reviews, here you guys can see that there is no official review. They are just made up reviews, or you can say that they have been fabricated. So again, on this page there is no official address, contact information. And when we go to the contact, all you guys can see that the location says Nomad Chronicles and this is the location. Let's search this location on the Google Maps. So when we'll search the location on the internet, we'll see that this is the location that they have referred it to. So it says at 295 Madison Avenue, 12th floor. So this is the location that they have shared more. So let's talk more about the Nomad Chronicles. I have used a website named as Scam Detector Validator just to test the website and see what they are actually doing, what are their informations, and is it legitimate or is it something unethical. So the score of the website that is Nomad Chronicle is 9.3, which is totally untrustworthy, risky, and danger. So the score is based on the scale of 1 to 100. So from 1 to 100, it just scores 9.3. So it is one of the worst ratings. So here, when I scroll down, you guys can see that the trust index is 9.3%. So this is the overview. The main creation date is Wednesday, 16th October 2024 at 8:40 a.m. So the website is just as brand new. Domain blacklist status is none. HTTPS connection is valid. HTTPS found. Proximity to suspicious website is 23 out of 100. Phishing score is 27 out of 100, malware score is 12 out of 100, and spam score is 16 out of 100. So when we go down, so the owner has hide his information using a foundation of the privacy protection, which is WHOIS. So there is no information about the owner online. So the address is offline. As you guys can see that the address is different from the address that was mentioned on their website. And you guys can see that the website does not provide any sort of information about the owner, about what they're doing, and what are their information. So this is totally false in a scam category. And I totally recommend you guys not to fall for these scams, and please don't invest your money in any sort of online untrustworthy websites. I hope you find this video helpful.